Welcome to FarmForce, where farming meets record-breaking machines. Today, we're counting down 40-plus incredible harvests that prove agriculture technology can be faster, smarter, and stronger than ever. Love epic farming stories? Hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. In Oregon's Willamette Valley, hop harvest is heritage in motion. As summer peaks, 150 horsepower harvesters sweep through 50-acre fields, stripping 20,000 pounds a day with care. The aroma of fresh hops fills the air as trucks rush to the plant, where 140-degree kilns dry each cone for 8 hours. Sorting screens remove debris, hydraulic presses pack 200-pound bales, and in just one day, these green treasures are ready for breweries worldwide. From the Pacific Northwest, we cross to Belgium, where rows of snowy cauliflowers are first cut by skilled hands, each head checked for quality. Then, the 120-horsepower BLKL Bloomcool machine takes over, lifting and trimming in under 3 seconds. Together, people and machine cover 6 hectares a day. Meanwhile, in the United States, more than 150 million pounds of honey are produced each year. The stainless steel extractor spins at 300 revolutions per minute, sucking the golden honey from the hive without a scratch. From hive to jar, every drop is pure and ready for breakfast. Under the blazing summer sun, the automated ag harvester runs with a 200-horsepower engine and belt-driven bandit elevator, lifting melons up to 40 pounds each. At 1,500 fruits an hour, they're graded, cooled, and truck-bound within minutes. If you're still here watching, then hey, we must share the same love for farming stories. Why not stick around? Hit subscribe and be part of this little corner where agriculture meets heart. We'd be lucky to have you. In Scotland's cool coastal fields, the 140-horsepower Deman 4-row sprout harvester uses advanced agriculture technology to cut and load 12 tons a day. Ensuring fresh, top-quality sprouts and broccoli every harvest. In eastern Scotland's mild coastal climate, the MacDonald family has grown broccoli for over 50 years. Using advanced agriculture technology and precise harvest methods, each head is cut, chilled within 12 hours, and packed for delivery, all reaching customers in just 18 hours for unbeatable freshness. Southeast Asia's canals come alive as Thai pickers balance on boats with 16-foot bamboo poles, felling more than 1,000 coconuts daily. The fruits float gently downstream, loaded onto trucks, then hand-husked up to 800 a day to bring pure island water to the world. In Yakima's crisp fall air, pickers fill 16 crates daily, each worth $22. From Gala to Honeycrisp, apples are hand-picked, sorted, and stacked in orchards where the work is hard, but the pay and the cider are sweeter than ever. In Arbuckle, a trunk shaker grips a pistachio tree, its 105 horsepower motor sending 1,200 pounds of nuts raining into waiting trays in seconds. Each operator handles dozens of trees per hour, combining speed with the gentleness needed to keep every nut perfect. Spanish streets meet citrus groves, where harvest machines clear 10,000 trees in record time, just 18 seconds each. Giant canvas arms catch every orange mid-air, keeping them spotless even as pedestrians stroll just meters away. Among California's almond rows, the 105 horsepower Tenias harvester grips and shakes 9 trees back-to-back without a pause. Dust stays low, efficiency stays high, and the work of a crew is done in a single smooth pass. Still here? Then you're one of us. Hit subscribe and stay where agriculture meets heart. On steep, narrow hillsides, the 25 horsepower Kubota-powered Frumaco climbs with 4-wheel drive grip, hauling 12 empty bins up and 4 full ones down. Its self-leveling platform keeps loads steady, proving that even tough terrain can be tamed when machine and farmer work in sync. In Poland's cherry orchards, the Maja harvester works like a gentle giant. Powered to handle 2,000 kilograms an hour, it vibrates each trunk just enough so sour cherries tumble into padded trays. Soft cleaning arms remove leaves without bruising a single fruit, fast, flawless, and ready for the market. Rolling into Italy's Prosecco hills, twin broad 9090L harvesters hum through the vineyards. GPS guidance and rubber picking fingers collect up to 200 tons of Glera grapes daily, each one intact. This careful harvest is what gives every glass of Prosecco its perfect sparkle. At IFTA 2017, crowds watched the FF Robotics picker in action. With 8 robotic arms mimicking human hands, it gathers 10,000 apples a day, bruise-free. Perfect for peak season, it turns labor shortages into high-speed, gentle precision. Inside climate-controlled greenhouses, the AI-powered berry spots ripe strawberries with laser accuracy. Soft grippers pick up to 10,000 berries daily, placing them gently into trays. Quiet, clean, and consistent. It's strawberry perfection without the backache. In Florida's strawberry fields, the Harvest CROO rolls like clockwork. 16 robotic arms harvest 8 acres a day, replacing the work of 30 pickers. Rain or shine, it keeps berries flowing from field to store without missing a beat. Across Europe, the NXT Gen robot runs 24/7 with 6 precision arms. AI vision ensures thousands of apples are picked each day, cutting labor needs by 70%. Perfect accuracy, even in tight orchard rows, means more fruit and less waste. On Ukraine's vast plains, the Nexat tractor is a moving fortress. With 1,100 horsepower and a 70-meter sprayer, It swaps tools to plant, spray, or harvest. One machine replaces an entire fleet, turning mega farms into models of efficiency. In the cornfields, 200 horsepower harvesters roar, processing 20 tons a day. In seconds, they peel the husks and separate the cobs, a job that used to take dozens of people, now done in one seamless operation. Thanks for following FarmForce, like, subscribe, and join us in discovering more amazing agriculture technology.